Hi everyone, and welcome back to Speak Easy English. I'm Luna.
And I'm Henry. Thanks for joining us today.
In this episode, we're going to help you use a laundromat in North America.
That can feel confusing, especially if it's your first time.
When I first moved here, I didn't know where to wash my clothes.
I felt the same. There were many machines, and I didn't know where to start.
I was worried I might use the wrong machine or do something wrong.
And sometimes you don't see anyone to ask for help.
But don't worry, we'll walk you through it step by step.
From finding a laundromat, to getting coins, to using the machines.
You'll hear real examples, and we'll share simple phrases you can actually use.
If you like learning this way, don't forget to follow or subscribe.
Let's get started. Imagine this. You need to wash your clothes, and you walk into a laundromat for the first time.
What do you do first? Which machine do you use?
Before I go, I always remind myself of one simple sentence.
That's a good idea. You can say, I need some help, please.
And if you feel nervous, you can say, this is my first time here.
Okay, we just walked into the laundromat. Take a second and look around with us.
Yeah, everything feels new to me.
I will be the laundromat staff.
And I will be the customer.
Okay, here we go. Hi there. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to wash my clothes.
Sure. Have you used a laundromat before?
No, this is my first time.
No problem. Do you have your clothes with you?
Yes, they're right here.
Great. You'll need a washing machine and some coins.
Okay, where do I start?
First, choose an empty machine.
Like this one?
Yes, that works.
Okay, what do I do next?
Put your clothes inside and close the door.
Got it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, so that was a full example at the laundromat.
Let's slow down and look at what we just said.
I'd like to wash my clothes. That's a simple way to start.
You can also say, I need to do some laundry.
When they ask, have you used a laundromat before? You can say, this is my first time.
And if you're not sure, you can always ask, where do I start?
I remember my first time at a laundromat.
Me too. I didn't know which machine to use.
I felt a little nervous at first.
But once I asked one question, it became much easier. All right, we are standing at the machine now. This is the moment many people pause.
Yes, but I do not have any coins.
I will be the laundromat staff.
And I will be the customer.
All right, one step at a time. Is everything ready with the machine?
Almost, but I do not have any coins.
That happens a lot here.
Oh, okay. I was worried.
Most machines need quarters.
I only have cash with me.
That is fine. You can use the change machine.
Where is it?
It is near the door.
Can I use $5?
Yes, $5 is good.
Okay, I see the coins coming out.
Great, those are quarters.
Perfect, thank you.
You are welcome. You can go back to the machine now.
Okay, so that was a full example at the laundromat.
Let us slow down and look at what we just said.
I do not have any coins is a clear way to explain the problem.
You can also say, I only have cash.
When you ask, where is the change machine, people understand you.
After that, you can continue with your laundry.
I remember this part felt stressful for me.
Me too, but after asking once, it felt easier. Okay, your clothes are inside the machine now.
This is the moment before you press the button.
Yes, I am ready to start the wash.
I will be the laundromat staff.
And I will be the customer.
Okay, let's start. Do you have your coins now?
Yes, I do.
Great. Choose an empty machine.
Okay, this one is empty.
Put your clothes inside.
All of them?
Yes, all of them.
Okay, done.
Close the door firmly.
Like this?
Yes, that is good.
What is the next step?
Choose the wash cycle.
Normal wash is okay?
Yes, normal wash is fine.
Okay, I press start now.
Perfect. The machine will begin. Review and practice.
Okay, so that was a full example using the washing machine.
Let us slow down and look at what we just said.
Choose an empty machine is a simple instruction.
You can also hear, put your clothes inside.
When you are not sure, you can ask, what is the next step?
That question helps you a lot.
I remember I was worried about pressing the wrong button.
Me too. But staff usually help if you ask. Okay, we are right in front of the machine now. This is the part where many people slow down.
Yes, I am holding the detergent in my hand.
I will be the laundromat staff.
And I will be the customer.
Okay, follow me. Do you have your detergent?
Yes, I do.
Great. Open the detergent drawer.
This one here?
Yes, that is right.
How much detergent do I use?
Just a little, not too much.
Okay, I pour it in now.
Good. Now close the drawer.
Done.
Next, choose the water temperature.
Cold water is okay.
Yes, cold water is fine for most clothes.
Okay, everything is ready now.
Perfect. The wash will start soon.
Okay, so that was the part with detergent and settings.
Let us slow down and look at the key lines.
How much detergent do I use is a good question.
Just a little is a very common answer.
When you are not sure, you can always ask.
And cold water is usually a safe choice.
I remember I was scared to use too much detergent.
Me too, but after a few times it feels easy. Okay, the machine is running now. This is the quiet part where we wait.
Yes, I am standing near my machine.
I will be the laundromat staff.
And I will be the customer.
Okay, stay with me. The wash will take some time.
Should I stay here?
Yes, it is better to stay nearby.
Okay, I will sit over there.
That is fine.
What if someone touches my clothes?
Usually people do not touch other clothes.
That makes me feel better.
It is polite to wait until your machine is done.
And I should not take other people's clothes?
Yes, that is important.
What if my wash finishes and I am not here?
Someone may move your clothes to the side.
Oh, I see.
That is why coming back on time helps.
I will set a timer on my phone.
That is a good idea.
Waiting feels a little uncomfortable at first,
That is very normal.
but after a few times it feels easier.
Yes, you get used to it. Okay, the wash is finished now. It is time to use the dryer.
Yes, my clothes are still wet.
I will be the laundromat staff.
And I will be the customer.
Okay, follow me. Take the clothes out of the washer.
All of them?
Yes, all of them.
Okay, done.
Put them into the dryer.
Like this?
Yes, that is right.
Do I need coins again?
Yes, the dryer also uses coins.
How long should I dry the clothes?
About 30 minutes is common.
Okay, I put the coins in now.
Good. Now close the door.
Which button do I press?
Choose the regular dry setting.
Okay, I press start.
Perfect. The dryer is running.
So that is how I use the dryer.
Yes, it is very simple.
I feel more confident now.
Great. You did a good job. Okay, the dryer is finished now. It is time to take the clothes out.
Yes, they feel warm.
I will be the laundromat staff.
And I will be the customer.
Okay, let us check everything. Take the clothes out of the dryer.
All of them?
Yes, make sure nothing is left inside.
I see one sock.
Good catch.
Okay, now it is empty.
You can fold your clothes here.
Can I do it now?
Yes, many people fold them here.
Okay, I will do it quickly.
That is polite.
Is it okay to leave now?
Yes, you are all done.
Thank you for your help today.
You are welcome. Have a nice day.
I feel much more confident now.
Great. See you next time.
You've made it to the end. Great job.
Now let's go over some useful sentences. Say them out loud with us.
I want to wash my clothes.
I want to wash my clothes. I want to wash my clothes.
I don't have any coins.
I don't have any coins. I don't have any coins.
Where is the change machine?
Where is the change machine? Where is the change machine?
How much detergent do I use?
How much detergent do I use? How much detergent do I use?
Is it okay to use cold water?
Is it okay to use cold water? Is it okay to use cold water?
Now it's your turn. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect.
Try to say 3 to 5 sentences about going to a laundromat.
You can start with, last time I did my laundry,
Or, when I go to the laundromat, I usually...
Say it out loud or write it down for yourself.
The important thing is to practice.
Thank you for learning with us step by step.
If this episode helped you, please follow, like, or subscribe.
It helps more newcomers find us.
And you can come back and listen again anytime.
Keep listening. Keep practicing.
You're doing great. See you in the next episode.